Hey folks, hey, Brad Miller, flybass.com, out down here in Mexico in Campeche fishing for baby tarpon. And they're a little bit bigger than a lot of the baby tarpon I used to fish for. This fish here is probably at least, 6-7 pounds, maybe 8 pounds. The guide would probably call it 3. But a beautiful, beautiful fish, and incredible pristine mangrove areas to fish down here in Campeche. And I can't recommend it highly enough. This is our last day of a 4-day trip. We've jumped a lot of fish. Just had a complete blast. I'm with my wife. She's caught just as many or more than I have, and the biggest ones, of course. So we've just had a great time. Brad Miller with flybass.com. Think about Campeche next time you're thinking about a warm weather place to go and catching a lot of great fish, fly fishing.
Gonna give him a kiss?